Hey, what's up guys? So I'm here at SEMA with Junpei Tomanaga. He is the president of Carmate USA. And you guys do some really cool 360-degree dash cams, kind of a different design than I see with a lot of traditional dash cams. So I want to run through your lineup and kind of go over the different dash cams that you offer and kind of the pros and cons of like 360-degree dash cams versus traditional dash cams.
Yes, I think we're the first company that offering the 360 dash cam, which covers, all around the vehicle, so no blind spot, compared to traditional one channel front view only or two channels front and back only, so which missing the whole side views. And then most of the accents, according to the survey, 75% accents occur at the intersection, so you do need a side view.
Okay, cool. In that case, I know you've got a number of different 360-degree dash cams, so let's go take a look at the different models and designs.
Sure.
All right, so starting off, I see the first model that we have here, we've got a single lens 360-degree dash cam. Tell me a little bit about this model.
This is the first model we made 3-4 years ago. Single lens 360-degree lens camera that will cover whole 360 horizontal and then 194-degree vertical way.
And speaking of which, let's go ahead and take a look at what the video files look like coming out of this dash cam.
Okay, once you have the files downloaded to your either smartphone or iPad or PC, you can play with the 4K quality. Okay. And there are several options, views you choose from. The first one, let me play. This is the original view that you have all 360.
360, okay.
Yep. The next one shows you a little bit of the front 180 on the top, back 180 on the bottom.
Okay, so two directions at
but
the same time.
You can toggle and seamlessly see what's going on around the vehicle.
Okay.
Another view will be the one tier whole 180 360 view. But personally, I like this view. I'll give you a little bit more natural look to see what was going on around your vehicle. This is actual data at the convention floor right now, but
exactly, yeah.
Yep.
All right, so this next model that you have, I see that you've got a lens that's actually pointing forward. Tell me a little bit about the design of this model.
Okay, compared to the first one, it was a 360 horizontal, 194 vertical way.
With the lens aimed down.
Right. So now this is detachable, and it will become like an action camera, like a GoPro. So
like
we made it to 360 this way, 360 vertical way.
Okay.
So whole 360 view.
Okay.
So we have a one lens, 360 lens in the front, one 360 lens in the back.
So two lenses pointed both directions.
To make it, our technology to make it 360 this way, 360 vertical way too.
All right, so how does the video footage look from this dash cam with the two lenses?
Okay, now that this is the original view, let's play. So you see the one's recording the front view, one's recording the rear camera.
Okay.
But again, we have 6 different views to choose from. That's the original view, front and back. You can see, you can toggle. And then CIC, we put the front in a big one and the back one in a small one.
Okay.
Yep. So again, it's kind of interesting look. And the panorama view, that'll give you a whole 360. We combine the footage for the front camera footage and the back camera footage to make it one file.
Great.
And again, this is my favorite angle cut. So this is another seamless.
I like this, yeah.
Yeah, so you can see whole 360 views.
Okay.
Yep. And also we have a little rabbit thing. I don't know.
Oh, the little planet, yeah.
Yeah. And another one.
All right, so now this next model, this looks to be a hybrid of like 360-degree dash cams and traditional ones. So tell me about this model here.
Okay, based on the previous two models, we had feedback from our customers. The greatest thing about the 360 is there's no blind spot.
Okay.
But the con side is the 360 lens is not as clear as the flat lens.
That makes sense.
Yeah, because the 360 lens is like a fish lens.
Right, you got some distortion.
So it's the pros and cons. You cover everything, you got no blind spot, but it's a little less quality than a flat.
Quality. Makes sense.
Flat lens. And also the last two models, we had a single unit mounted on the front windshield. and then the rear view was recorded through the inside of the vehicle and rear window. So you can see what's going on, but license plate, more details. To improve that, we have an independent rear camera now.
It goes on the rear window.
Yes, so now we have a new flat lens front camera to capture the front side, the rear camera to capture the rear side, and then still 360 lens on the bottom to capture side views and inside the vehicle.
Perfect, that makes sense.
So this is the first 3-channel dash cam in the industry, front, rear, and then 360. Right. So this is still all covered, but with a much better quality.
And speaking of video quality, can we take a look at some image samples, some video samples for both quality and the different fields of view?
Sure. We have a free PC app to download, and once you download the free PC app, you can see all the data on your PC with a much bigger screen than smartphones.
Okay.
So first one, we have 2 footages for you today. One the daytime footage, one the nighttime footage. Let's start with the daytime footage. So now you can see this is the front view camera, rear camera view, and then 360 front, 360 back. So the 360 ones you can toggle.
Okay, so if you want to see the sides, for example, or inside.
And now you can see how clear the image is using 2 flat cameras, from the front and back.
Okay.
Let me show you a little bit more. So now you can see front view only, and with the larger screen, front view,
Okay.
360, which is you can see all the way from side, back, the other side to the front. And then rear view. So rear view is a big improvement, having an additional camera on the rear view window.
For sure, yeah.
Instead of seeing through the front windshield.
Makes sense. So
Yep.
It's like next we've got some nighttime video footage.
Yep. Let's go nighttime. So it's just all camera, front, rear, 360 front, 360 back. So and then 360 you can toggle. And then with the light, no light condition, you can see how much you can see in the inside the car. And then the front view. It's almost done, so let's go back a little bit.
There's some weird flickering I'm noticing. Do you know what that is?
It's a traffic light.
Well, I mean, I'm seeing it on the lights, I'm seeing it on the license plates. and
Yeah,
stuff.
LED.
Okay, oh, the LED,
Yeah.
gotcha. Okay.
So that's the front view. And then 360, you can see back, the other side, back to the front, and rear camera.
And then finally, we've got this last model here, which looks similar to the previous one that we just looked at, but I know there's
Right.
some differences. So tell me about this dash cam here.
Right. Based on the 3 channels that we had, we're gonna eliminate the front camera by improving the 360 lens. So
Got
this
it.
better 360 lens will cover the front view without the additional front camera.
Okay, so you've got the main 360 dash cam and then a second rear dash cam.
Right. So
for your
this is a 2-channel,
Gotcha.
but the improved 360 lens will capture the front view good enough.
When you say improved, is it better video quality or resolution, or what makes it better?
And then what is it? Torsion?
The distortion?
Yep.
Okay.
It's get more natural. Also, another big the difference between the previous DC4000 to this DC3600 is this model will come with the LTE module.
Gotcha.
Which means you can see the live viewing when you're home or in your office, lively.
Okay, so it's going to be a cloud-connected dash cam.
That's correct.
Okay. Can we go ahead and take a look at some sample video next?
Absolutely. Okay, this is the original view of the 360 lens that shows a little bit of front, basically everything around the vehicle, inside, side views.
Okay.
And as you go, next one will show you the front view with the 360 lens, and then rear view with the rear camera.
Okay.
Okay. And then as you can see, it's a much improved front view with a 360 lens. Here's a previous ordinary 360 lens.
Yeah.
You cannot see the license plate.
Okay, yeah.
Now you can.
Better clarity on this top model.
Yes.
Now that we've gone over the lineup, where can people go to learn more about the different dash cams? Let's talk about availability and also where they can purchase.
Okay, our cameras are sold through most of the retail outlets. You can check on our website. Also the e-commerce such as Amazon.
Okay.
Yep.
Perfect. And I'll put links in the video description to all the dash cams if people want to check them out.
Yep.
Perfect. Thanks so much for your time.
Thank you.